In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add apps to Slack. Bringing additional functionality to Slack can really help boost your productivity and enhance your team's collaboration. Let's dive right in and explore how you can seamlessly integrate your favorite tools right into your Slack workspace. To start, open Slack on your desktop or go through your browser. Once inside, direct your attention to the sidebar on the left where you will notice an option marked Apps. Clicking on this will take you to a place where you can manage all your Slack apps. Within the Apps section, look for a button or link that says Add Apps or something similar. If it's not readily visible, you should see an option to open the Slack app directory. Clicking on that will grant you access to search through a wide array of apps available for you to install directly into Slack. Now that you're in the Slack app directory, it's time to search for the app you wish to install. Use the search bar, typically at the top, to enter the name of the app you're looking for. The directory will present you with options related to your search, and you can scroll through to find the specific app you want to add. Once you've located the app on the directory, click on it to open up its profile page. Here you'll get a comprehensive overview of the app's features and the permissions it requires to operate within your Slack workspace. Take a moment to review these details carefully to ensure the app meets your needs and that you're comfortable with the permissions it asks for. After you've done that, find and click on the button that says Add to Slack or Install. At this point, you will need to authorize the app to access your Slack. Carefully review the permissions that the app is requesting. You'll notice an Allow, Authorize, or similar button. Click on it to give the necessary permissions so that the app can function as needed. Some apps will guide you through extra steps to complete the initial setup required for optimal integration. Once authorization is done, you may need to configure specific settings for the app in Slack. This could involve signing in to an external account connected to the app, selecting a specific Slack channel where the app will be active, or choosing your notification preferences. Some apps offer even more customization, like configuring automated workflows or connecting the app to particular projects or teams within your organization. With the app fully installed and configured, you're ready to start using it. Navigate to the Apps section within Slack to access your newly added tool. Many apps also offer /commands. These are special commands you can type into Slack to quickly perform tasks or retrieve information from the app. Additionally, you may set up and receive automatic notifications that keep your team informed and up to date right in your selected channels. And there you have it. You've successfully added and configured an app in Slack. Enjoy exploring the potential enhancements these tools bring to your everyday workflows. Happy collaborating!